Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victor and I'm a Nigerian based here in Canada. I share about skills, coding and lifestyle, and in today's video I'll be sharing 15 highest paying software jobs. I'll be mentioning their national average salary and their primary duties. Okay, so when I say software jobs, it's not 100% mandatory or compulsory to have a computer science degree. I'm not saying it's a bad idea or it's not a good idea to have a computer science degree. It's very good to have a computer science degree, but it's not 100% mandatory to have a computer science degree to, take on these roles or acquire this the skills needed. Okay, so you can always acquire the skills by taking on courses or programs on Udemy, Udacity, or taking on AWS programs. Okay, and if you're new to this channel, thank you for coming, and if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you so much for returning. Okay, and without further ado, let's jump right into it, and don't forget to share, subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you guys, see you soon. Welcome back guys. Here are 15 of the highest paying software jobs, including salary expectations, job responsibilities and education requirements. First on the list is IT security specialists, and their national average salary is $65,793 per year. And the primary duties is that they're responsible for working with corporations to develop guidelines for cybersecurity within the company's software programs and communication channels. To do this, they review the company's current cybersecurity standards and review the IT department's procedures. IT security specialists candidates should have a bachelor's degree in information technology, computer science, cybersecurity, or another related area. Number 2 on the list is system engineers, and their national average salary is $101,451 per year. And the primary duties is that they work for IT firms or corporations to install software programs or networks and databases. They also need to be able to maintain the system and make repairs to ensure security measures work. To become a system engineer, you need to have at least a bachelor's degree in information technology, computer science, or a related area. Number 3 on the list is full stack developer, and the national average salary is $102,244 per year. And the primary duties is that full stack developers use their knowledge of front and back end development to create back end coding and visual designs for websites. They may also be responsible for creating mobile applications for the websites they create. Full stack developers need a bachelor's degree in computer science, software development, or computer programming. They should also have advanced knowledge in a variety of coding languages, including Python, JavaScript, and CSS. Number 4 on the list is development operations engineer, and their national average salary is $117,739 per year. And their primary duties is that development operations engineers, they work within corporations or IT firms to compile code libraries or databases for each new system or software program created. This allows future employees to refer to the library to identify what certain codes represent should they need to update the system. Development operations engineers need a bachelor's degree in an area like information systems management or computer programming or computer science. They may also benefit from having previously worked as a coder or network administrator. And the next on the list is technical program manager, and their national average salary is $119,219 per year. And technical program managers are responsible for overseeing a team of software and hardware professionals within the IT department of a corporation. They come up with new software programs or updates or maintenance to existing programs that the team needs to complete within a given time frame. They also determine the budget for these projects and ensure teams meet their deadlines. Technical program managers candidates should have a bachelor's degree in information systems management, business administration, information technology, or related area. Although not required, a master's degree or additional certification can demonstrate their leadership skills. Number 6, data warehouse architects, And the national average salary of a data warehouse architect is $119,556 per year. And primary duties is that data warehouse architects work with corporations to create and design data warehouses, which are large storage management systems that allow companies to store data regarding analytics. They are also responsible for assessing the types of data a company uses to determine what to include in a data warehouse, like employee contact details, files, financial statements, or customer complaints. Data warehouse architects should have a bachelor's degree in computer programming, computer engineering, software engineering, or information systems. Number 7 on the list is cloud engineer, and the national average salary of a cloud engineer is $120,740 per year. And their primary duties is that cloud engineer is responsible for helping a corporation move their IT methods to a cloud format. This is to ensure they don't lose important company information. Cloud engineers work to ensure that the company's cloud management system stays secure and updated so it backs up information consistently. To become a cloud engineer, you need to earn a bachelor's degree in an area like information technology, computer science, or cybersecurity. You should also earn 3 to 5 years of work experience in IT to be eligible for a position. Number 8 on the list is mobile developer, and the national average salary of a mobile developer is $123,764 per year. And the primary duty of a mobile developer is that mobile developers are responsible for designing designing mobile applications. They may be required to restructure company websites to fit a mobile format or create an app for a video game. They can work specifically for corporations or as sole proprietors, enlisting their services to others. To become a mobile developer, you should have a bachelor's degree in information technology, computer programming, information systems, management, or a related area. You should also have a previous work experience in the IT industry. Number 9 is software engineer, and the national average salary of a software engineer is $127,169 per year. And the primary duties is that a software engineer uses their knowledge of coding and applications to create software for companies and individuals. Typically, they create software programs, mobile applications, and communication channels or content management systems, CMS, that are specific to a company and its needs. Software engineers should have great communication skills to work with clients to establish their needs. To become a software engineer, you need to earn a bachelor's degree in software engineering or development, information technology, or computer programming. Number 10, software architects. And the national average salary of a software architect is $133,130 per year. And the primary duty of a software architect is that they are responsible for using their expert knowledge of software development to oversee a team of IT professionals, including software developers. They delegate tasks related to software program creation, maintenance, and updates so that the company or client they work for receives top tier software as a result. And software architects typically have a bachelor's degree in computer programming, software engineering or development, or information systems management. In addition, for those without a bachelor's degree, significant experience in a related role, certification, or both can greatly enhance your qualifications. Number 11, software engineering manager. And the national average salary of a software engineering manager is $134,363 per year. And the primary duty of a software engineering manager is that they work within an IT department for a company or as part of an IT firm. As the title implies, these professionals use their extensive expertise in software engineering to direct a team of entry and mid-level software engineers in creating and maintaining software programs. To become a software engineer, candidates should have a bachelor's degree in software engineering, information technology, computer programming, or another area. Following their bachelor's degree, it may be beneficial to get a master's degree in an area like business administration or software engineering. Number 12, site reliability engineer. And the national average salary of a site reliability engineer is $133,379 per year, and the primary duties is that they communicate between development operation engineers and software engineers to address potential website errors or confusing messaging that could affect its effectiveness to the user. They use coding libraries from DevOps engineers and the designing capabilities of software engineers to make necessary changes to the website's makeup. To become a site reliability engineer, you should have a bachelor's degree in an area like software development, information systems management, or computer programming. In addition, you should also have a few years of experience working as a software developer, system engineer, or a related area. Number 13, enterprise architect. And the national average salary of an enterprise architect it's $137,970 per year, and the primary duty is that they work for corporation to ensure that technological processes benefit their business goals. Therefore, this role requires both business and IT skills. Based on their analysis of their employer's business goals, they set IT standards, purchase software, or enlist the help of the IT department to create it. To become an enterprise architect, you should have a bachelor's degree in computer science, business administration, or information technology. A master's degree in enterprise architecture may help increase your eligibility for a position. Number 14 on the list is data scientist, and the national average salary of a data scientist is $140,232 per year, and the primary duty is that data scientists work for corporations to help them establish a software system or network from which to gather important data about company financials, sales, or marketing techniques. This allows business owners to weigh the success of a campaign or compare quarterly sales. Data scientists should have a bachelor's degree in an area related to computer scientist and preferably a master's degree in a similar area. And number 15, we have Chief Technology Officer, and the national average salary of a Chief Technology Officer is $160,093 per year, and the primary duty is that a Chief Technology Officer is an executive position within a corporation. In this role, the officer is in charge of overseeing a company's resource and development department and its IT department. Their main job duties include researching new technologies and identifying weaknesses within the company that could benefit from new IT technologies. To become a Chief Technology Officer, candidates need to earn a bachelor's degree in information technology, business, or information systems management. Further, they should consider a master's degree in business administration or information technology, and they should have several years of experience in a related role. Now we've come to the end of the 15 highest paying software jobs, and note this currency is in US dollars. Thank you so much for watching.